Hello, this is Mike Genulitis, founder of Cornerball Software. In this video, I'm going to show you the File Integrity Monitor feature found in Cornerball Event Log Manager 2021. So for those of you that are unfamiliar with File Integrity Monitoring, or FIM, FIM is the process of validating file contents remain unchanged and if changed or deleted, who made the changes and from what IP did they make the changes. Cornerball offers two different methods to implement file integrity monitoring: baseline scanning and object access auditing. Baseline scanning is supported on both Windows and Linux Unix, while object access auditing is only available on Windows. To access the file integrity monitoring functionality within Cornerball Event Log Manager, you will need a Cornerball Server Manager license. First, I'm going to show you Object Access Auditing. Object Access Auditing enables you to know in real time the instant a user accesses, modifies, or deletes a file. First, we need to configure Object Access Auditing on the target server. If monitoring a non-domain computer, from Administrative Tools, select Local Security Policy. Expand Advanced Audit Policy Configuration, then expand Object Access. From the Detail view, double-click Audit File System. The Audit File System Properties dialog displays. Check Success, then OK. Next, we need to configure the target folder. Open Explorer, then navigate to the target folder. Right-click and select Properties. From the File Properties dialog, select the Security tab, then click the Advanced button. From the Advanced Security Settings dialog, select the Auditing tab. If you are prompted to continue, click the Continue button. Next, click the Add button. From the Auditing Entry dialog, click the Select a Principal link. From the Select User or Group dialog, type Everyone, then click OK. Back in the Auditing Entry dialog, check all the options, then click OK. Back in the Advanced Security Settings dialog, verify the new entry was added, then click OK. Finally, back in the File Properties dialog, click the OK button. By default, a real-time audit file system template is pre-installed in the following location: Templates, Sample Templates, Real-Time Monitors, Real-Time Audit File System. If the template cannot be found, it is most likely because you already installed the software prior to the release of this template. To create the template, from the menu bar, select Tools, Create Default Objects. Right-click on the Real-Time Audit File System template and select Template Properties. The Template Properties view displays. If you select the Rules tab, you can see 3 filters and actions pre-assigned. These filters are assigned to track create, write, and delete audit file system events. Make sure to assign an email address to the pre-installed Send an Email action. Otherwise, you won't receive notifications. Finally, from the Host drop-down, select the target host to monitor, then click Save. To test, we can simply create a new file in the target directory, open the file in the text editor, modify and save it, then finally delete the file. Once complete, I will see 4 messages in my email. One for the creation of the file, one for the update of the file contents. Then Microsoft fires 2 absolutely identical events for the delete operation, which is unfortunate. However, the end result is the same. Next, let's configure the baseline scanning File Integrity Monitor template. The File Integrity Monitor template can be used to track changes to the actual file. The software creates a baseline, then polls the file system on either Windows or Linux Unix. Once a change is detected, the monitor triggers and an alert is sent. To create a new template, from the menu bar, select File, New, Template, File and Directory Monitors, File Integrity Monitor. Specify a friendly name. Specify the frequency to poll the file for changes. You have the option to poll as fast as every second or as slow as daily. Select the Directories tab. Select the target host. Then navigate to the target directory. Click the Add button. Next, select the Files and Subdirectories tab. You have the option to monitor subdirectories, which sets the trigger status on each subdirectory rather than the target directory. You have the option to recursively scan subdirectories. Then finally, you can exclude specific subdirectories, target specific file names or masks, and exclude specific file names or masks. Next, select the Options tab. Use this tab to choose the options to check. Please note the file attributes read-only and hidden, along with permissions, are only supported when running against Windows shares. All other options are supported by both Windows and Linux Unix. Next, select the Actions tab. Under the On Trigger dropdown, select the email action. Finally, use the Host dropdown to assign the target host. Save your changes. Now, back in the Explorer view, locate the template you just created and expand. Right-click on the target host, then select Explore. In order to show this off, I'm going to manually run the template. This will create the baseline. To test the monitor is working, I'm going to open Notepad and then make a change to my text file. Now, if I run the monitor again, we can see the monitor triggers and we receive our email alert. Back in the monitor status view, if I select the Detail tab, we can see a list of the files being monitored and the triggered items. In this case, we can see the accessed and modified date have been updated. The hash and file size have also changed. That's file integrity monitoring with Cornerbowl software. Thank you for watching.